Hey guys, Todd here. Today we're going to install the rugged ridge side window deflectors on the Jeep Gladiator. Now make sure you're subscribed to our channel to stay up to date with our latest content. Let's go and get started. Okay, now make sure you're installing these between 65 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, after these are installed, make sure you don't wash the vehicle for 48 hours. Now, I've already gone ahead and wiped down the surface that these are going to be adhering to with rubbing alcohol. I've also gone ahead and peeled back some of the red 3M tape protector, a couple inches off of each side. Now we're going to go ahead and set it in place. All right, now when we line this up, what we want to do is make sure we have about a ½ inch of painted surface all the way around the outside perimeter of this. So what we're going to do is line it up. Once we get it lined up about where we want it, we can go ahead and press down to set that adhesive. Then we're going to come over here and set the adhesive over here as well. All right, then we can go ahead, once we've got everything where we want it, go ahead and peel away the 3M here. Just work your way all the way around to the other side. All right, next we're going to use a microfiber cloth and we're going to wipe down this surface using pressure. That's going to give us some nice even pressure all the way along the adhesive to get good adhesion to the paint. I want to wipe back and forth across that a few times. And then we can go ahead and move to the rear. Now the installation for the rear door is very similar. Now these are side specific. You want to make sure the logo is towards the rear of the vehicle. As you can see, just like on the front, I've gone ahead and peeled back a little bit of the red tape backing so we can get it all lined up. You'll want to, just like on the front, make sure the top edge is about a ½ inch from the top of the painted surface, and also make sure it's centered side to side in the rear door frame. Let's go ahead and get that set in place. And once it is right where we want it, we can go ahead and press down to set the adhesive. And peel down and away just like we did before. And just like we did before, run it in with a microfiber cloth. Repeat the same process on the opposite side of the vehicle. Well, that concludes the installation. If you found this video helpful, make sure and give us a thumbs up. If you want to know more about the product, check the link in the description below. And as always, if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online at RealTruck.com.